This video demonstrates the preparation and setup of R-Biopharm Rhône's immunoaffinity columns for use on the Gilson ASPEC systems. In this example, the Rhône wide auto columns were used with our recommended serial method. However, it is possible to use alternative extraction methods depending on the analyte and other R-Biopharm Rhône's immunoaffinity columns as required. After dilution of the sample, a second filtration step is recommended through glass microfiber filter paper to remove any precipitates before transfer onto the ASPEC system. In this demonstration, the ASPEC 271 system is used, which allows direct injection onto HPLC or LC-MS. However, the ASPEC 274 system is also available as a standalone system for higher sample throughput and can process up to 4 immunoaffinity columns in parallel. The first 2 left-hand racks on the ASPEC system can be used for calibration standards and to insert sample extract tubes. The third and fourth racks are used for the R-Biopharm Rhône immunoaffinity columns. Various rack sizes are available to accommodate either 1 ml or 3 ml columns. In this example, the first rack contains calibration standards, and the second is fitted with a larger sample rack, capable of holding extracts of up to 50 milliliters. Sample racks are also interchangeable and can accommodate smaller tubes of up to 15 milliliters, ideal for processing a greater number of samples. The Trilution software package is used to control the Gilson ASPEC 271 and 274 systems. This enables seamless automation by providing a step-by-step guide for processing 1 ml or 3 ml R-Biopharm Rhône immunoaffinity columns. The appropriate method is selected and the sequence is run. In this case, the sample is loaded and applied to a 3 ml Rhône wide auto immunoaffinity column, featuring a pre-fitted, technician-friendly sealed cap. All liquid transfers are conducted accurately and reliably using Gilson's high-quality precision pumps. Between each step, the system rinses both the needle and tubing to prevent carryover. The columns are then washed and the rack moves to position them above a tray of collection tubes where the analyte is then eluted from the columns. Water is passed through the column and is collected with the eluate, which is then mixed and, in this example, injected directly onto the chosen HPLC or LC-MS system using the ASPEC 271. Alternatively, the ASPEC 274 allows for simultaneous processing of multiple samples, offering improved efficiency for high-throughput environments. R-Biopharm Rhône's new auto immunoaffinity range, a smarter way to automate. No extra steps, no wasted time.